Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you Environmental Studies chapter number 6. So, take out your books and open page number 30. The name of the chapter is My Sweet Home. In this chapter, we are going to study about what is home, why do we call our home a good home, what are the features of good home, what are the things used in our home for cleaning our home, and what are the different rooms in our home. Let's start. A good home. We call our house our sweet home. Our parents, brothers and sisters live with us in our house. Kids, do you know what is home? A house in which we live with our family is called home. And now do you know why we call our home a good home or sweet home? Because in our home our parents teach us good things. They tell us how to share things, how to help each other. Now we have different rooms in our house and each room has a different name. You can see in this picture bathroom, bedroom, living room, dining room, kitchen. Bedroom, the place where we take rest or sleep. Kitchen, where our parents cook food. Dining room, the place where we sit and have our meals. Living room, the place when guests come at our home we make them sit. Bathroom, the place where we brush our teeth and take shower. A good home is airy. Good home is airy means it is properly ventilated. Windows and doors let the sunlight and fresh air enter into the house. They should be opened every day. Windows and doors should be opened every day. You know why? Because it let the fresh sunlight enter into the house and sunlight kill the germs. Wire mesh on the windows and doors stop mosquitoes from entering the house. We all feel happy to help our parents in cleaning our home by arranging the things at proper place. Kids, do you all help your parents for cleaning and arranging the things? How do you help? We will see. By throwing the waste into the dustbin, by keeping your toys at proper places. You also arrange your toys at proper places, kids. By switching off the fan and light when you leave the room. By flushing the toilet after use. By cleaning the home. Now we will see what all are the things we use for cleaning our house. You can see in this picture brush, broom, bucket, soap, phenyl, etc. Kids, I hope this chapter is clear to you and you must have enjoyed learning this chapter. Now read this chapter twice. Children, open page number 3333. Let's see. Write the action word. We have to write the correct action word. Action words are given over here. Let's see. Dash the waste into the dustbin. Where we should throw the waste? We should always throw the waste in the dustbin. So the answer is THROW, throw. Dash the floor. Okay children, you know we should always keep our surroundings clean. How can we keep our surrounding clean? By cleaning, brooming, by sweeping the floor. So the answer is SWEEP, sweep. Dash the cobwebs. What we should do? We should always remove the cobweb because we have to keep our surrounding clean. We have to keep our home a good home. So we should always REMOVE, remove the cobwebs. Dash the toilet after use. What we should do after using washroom, after using toilet? We should always flush. So the answer is FLUSH, flush. Dash your parents if you drop something. Children, I told you na, if you spill or drop something, what you should do? You should tell your parents. So answer is TELL, tell. Match the following. Now let's see dustbin, cobweb, toilet and sink. Okay. What we throw it in the dustbin? The garbage which we collect. How we collect? How do we clean the floor? With the help of the broom. So the answer is BROOM, broom. Number 1 on broom. Cobweb. Now who makes cobweb? Cobweb are the webs made by spider. SPIDER, spider. Toilet. What we should always do after using toilet? We should always flush the toilet. So answer is FLUSH, flush. Sink. Okay. When you have your meal, where you keep your utensils and where your mama cleans the utensils? In the sink. Mama wash utensils in the sink. So answer is WASH, wash. I hope you must have learned this book work with me. Now we will revise notebook work of this chapter. How can we make a house airy? We can make a house airy by opening the windows and doors every day. Children, I told you na, a good home is when it is airy. And how it can be airy? By opening doors and windows every day, because it lets the fresh air enter into our house and sunlight also. How can children keep their home clean? Write 2 ways. Now how can you keep your home clean? We have to write 2 ways. There are many ways, but here we will write 2 ways how to make our home clean. Children can keep their home clean by throwing the waste into the dustbin. We should always throw the waste into the dustbin because it makes our surroundings clean. Keeping their clothes, shoes and books in place. We should always keep our things in proper place. Our room should not be messy. It should be neat and clean. Now we will see hard words of this chapter. Let's see. Okay. First spelling is FLUSH, flush. We should always flush the toilet after use. Second is remove. REMOVE, remove. We should always remove the cobwebs. Okay, what we should open to let the fresh air enter into our house? Doors and windows. DOORS, doors. WINDOWS, windows. Okay. Who make cobwebs? Cobwebs are made by spiders. So the spelling of spiders is SPIDERS, spiders. Okay. Keep learning and keep revising. Thank you.